Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Diabetes is a prevalent health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. While traditional remedies and medications are commonly used to manage diabetes, there is a growing interest in exploring natural ways to reverse the condition. This video will delve into curing diabetes without remedies and the critical lifestyle changes needed for a healthier future. Reversing diabetes through natural remedies is gaining traction due to its potential to address the root causes of the condition. Focusing on holistic approaches such as diet, exercise, and stress management can help individuals reduce their reliance on medications and improve their overall health. Making the switch to natural remedies not only offers a more sustainable solution but also empowers individuals to take control of their health. Fundamental lifestyle changes are crucial in managing diabetes and promoting overall well-being. By adopting a healthier lifestyle, individuals can improve their blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing complications associated with diabetes. From incorporating more whole foods into their diet to engaging in regular physical activity, these changes can profoundly impact one's health outcomes. Embracing a natural diabetes remedy approach has a myriad of benefits that extend beyond managing the condition. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods and engaging in regular exercise, individuals can experience increased energy levels, improved mood, and better overall quality of life. Natural remedies often have fewer side effects than traditional medications, making them safer and more sustainable long-term health management options. In the upcoming segments, we will explore the specific lifestyle changes and natural remedies that can help reverse diabetes and improve overall health. Stay tuned to discover how to take charge of your health and well-being through simple yet effective changes. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding diabetes. Diabetes is a complex metabolic disorder with high blood glucose levels. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, is crucial in regulating blood sugar levels by facilitating glucose uptake into cells for energy production. However, in individuals with diabetes, this process is disrupted, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and potential health complications. Insulin resistance is a critical factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. When cells in the body become resistant to insulin's effects, glucose cannot enter the cells efficiently, resulting in high blood sugar levels. Various factors, including genetics, obesity, and a sedentary lifestyle, can influence this condition. Managing insulin resistance through lifestyle changes such as diet and exercise is essential for controlling blood sugar levels and preventing the progression of type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune condition in which the immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This results in a lack of insulin production, leading to high blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes is typically diagnosed in childhood or adolescence and requires lifelong insulin therapy for management. On the other hand, type 2 diabetes is characterized by insulin resistance and impaired insulin secretion. It is often associated with lifestyle factors such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, and excess weight. Understanding the differences between type 1 and type 2 diabetes is crucial for effective management and prevention strategies. While type 1 diabetes cannot be prevented or reversed, type 2 diabetes can often be managed and even reversed through lifestyle modifications. By educating individuals on the importance of maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and making informed choices regarding diet and exercise, the risk of developing diabetes can be reduced significantly. In the next segment, we will explore the specific strategies and approaches for managing and preventing diabetes through lifestyle changes and natural remedies. Stay tuned to learn more about how you can take control of your health and well-being. Natural diabetes remedy. Managing and potentially reversing diabetes through natural remedies and lifestyle changes is a promising approach that addresses the condition's root causes. Individuals can take proactive steps toward improving their health and well-being by incorporating a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress management, and adequate sleep. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in managing diabetes by helping to regulate blood sugar levels and promote overall health. Emphasizing whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats while limiting processed sugars and refined carbohydrates can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Individuals can support their health and well-being by nourishing their bodies with nutrient-dense foods. Regular physical activity is essential for improving insulin sensitivity and promoting glucose uptake by cells for energy production. Aerobic exercise, strength training, and flexibility exercises can help lower blood sugar levels, improve cardiovascular health, and enhance overall fitness. By incorporating physical activity into their daily routine, individuals with diabetes can better manage their condition and reduce the risk of complications. Stress management and adequate sleep are often overlooked aspects of diabetes management but play a significant role in controlling blood sugar levels. Chronic stress can lead to elevated blood sugar levels and insulin resistance, while insufficient sleep can disrupt hormone levels that regulate blood sugar. By practicing relaxation techniques, mindfulness, and ensuring adequate rest, individuals can better manage their stress levels and support healthy blood sugar regulation. In the following segments, we will explore specific natural remedies and lifestyle changes in detail, providing practical tips and strategies for managing and potentially reversing diabetes. Stay tuned to discover how to take charge of your health and well-being through simple yet effective changes. Critical changes for reversing diabetes. Reversing diabetes and improving overall health requires specific fundamental changes that individuals can incorporate into their daily routines to manage the condition effectively. By reducing sugar and carbohydrate intake, monitoring blood glucose levels, and incorporating mindfulness practices, individuals can take proactive steps toward reversing diabetes and achieving better health outcomes. One of the most critical changes individuals can make to reverse diabetes is to reduce their sugar and carbohydrate intake. High sugar and refined carbohydrate consumption can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, contributing to insulin resistance and diabetes progression. Individuals can better regulate their blood sugar levels and support their overall health by eating whole, nutrient-dense foods and limiting sugary snacks and beverages. Monitoring blood glucose levels regularly is essential for individuals with diabetes to track their progress and make informed decisions about their health. Working closely with healthcare providers, including doctors and dietitians, can help individuals develop personalized management plans tailored to their needs. By staying proactive and informed about their condition, individuals can better manage their diabetes and make necessary adjustments to their lifestyle. Incorporating mindfulness practices and relaxation techniques can also play a significant role in managing stress and cravings, which are common challenges for individuals with diabetes. Stress can impact blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity, making finding healthy ways to cope with stress crucial. By practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques, individuals can reduce stress levels, improve their mental well-being, and better manage cravings for unhealthy foods. In the upcoming segments, we will explore these fundamental changes further and provide practical tips and strategies for individuals looking to reverse diabetes and improve their overall health. Stay tuned to learn how to take control of your health and well-being through simple yet effective changes. Simple tip to stop sugar, sweet cravings. Curbing sugar cravings and maintaining a balanced diet can be challenging but achievable with the right strategies. One practical tip to help viewers overcome sugar cravings is to make simple yet effective substitutions in their snacking choices, stay hydrated, and practice mindful eating to savor flavors and prevent overindulgence in sweets. One effective way to combat sugar cravings is to substitute sugary snacks with healthier alternatives such as fruits or nuts. Fruits like berries, apples, or citrus fruits offer natural sweetness and essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, provide a satisfying crunch and healthy fats to help keep cravings at bay. By reaching for these nutrient-dense options instead of sugary treats, individuals can satisfy their sweet tooth while nourishing their bodies. Staying hydrated is another critical strategy in reducing sugar cravings. Dehydration can sometimes be mistaken for hunger, leading individuals to reach for sugary beverages or snacks. By drinking adequate water throughout the day, individuals can stay hydrated and curb unnecessary cravings for sweets. Herbal teas and infused or sparkling water can also be refreshing alternatives to sugary drinks. Practicing mindful eating can help individuals savor the flavors of their food and prevent overindulgence in sweets. By slowing down during meals, paying attention to hunger cues, and fully engaging with the eating experience, individuals can better appreciate the taste and texture of their food. This mindful approach can lead to a greater sense of satisfaction and reduce the urge to consume excessive amounts of sugary treats. Incorporating these simple yet effective tips into daily routines can empower individuals to take control of their sugar cravings and make healthier choices for overall well-being. Individuals can successfully manage their sugar intake and maintain a balanced diet by making conscious decisions about snacking, hydration, and eating habits. By prioritizing whole, nutrient-dense foods, staying active, managing stress, and practicing mindful eating, individuals can empower themselves to take control of their health and well-being. Small changes made consistently over time can lead to significant improvements in managing diabetes and preventing complications. We encourage viewers to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and strategies for managing diabetes and promoting overall wellness. By staying informed and engaged, individuals can continue to learn and implement new approaches to support their health goals. Additionally, we encourage viewers to share this video with others who may benefit from the information and strategies discussed, as spreading awareness about diabetes management is crucial for supporting individuals on their health journey. Thank you for watching. With dedication and the right strategies, it is possible to reverse diabetes and lead a healthier, more vibrant life. Take the first step towards a healthier future today.